sniffing
Well, I
cocaine
think we're all standing
off
for
of a dog.
Everything's a standing for right. My dog, Chili Dog. It just hasn't
So-
told the jokes.
No, I'm not an expert in this area because my view is a bit transition from the alpha or the beta to the theta or the is from a self-referential, which is
or a panpsychism or hylozoism by attributing all of physical reality to.
Well, you know,
So I don't let the intellectual aspect of it drive me into insanity where you end up.
Intuition are often used interchangeably and out of context, but they are mutually exclusive.
So I have a question for you.
I wish you would.
I saw you kind of create a little equilibrium.
transition from the alpha or the beta to the
After a day of being on your phone, and you can just feel like into.
So wait, what does that have to do with the fourth?
I have five suede.
I heard that you are also.
I feel you
I mean, look, people do what they do. I'm still wearing the same underwear from 3 weeks ago. Well, they just can't do anything.
Let me ask the question.
What subliminal influences is you're unaware of
Phenomenon that occurs during grandiosity.
a psychological approach.
Five irony. You remember you have atletism or animism implementers.
And some people say I have a cuteness.